Hello, my name is Chase Clark, Certified Master Instructor with the Dean King Training Institute. I'm also a proud veteran of the United States Armed Forces. For the past 15 years, I've been instructing and doing PDR, wheel refinishing, ceramic coating, and detailing in the auto reconditioning industry. Now we're going to walk around and check out some of our students at the Dean King Training Institute. Show me what you're working on right now.
Little glue pulls.
So right now, we're on the pillow of the car, and you can see he has 3 dents located between the A and B pillar, what we call the rail, and he has light set up so he can see the reflections in his dent. So now we're going to go check out one of our PDR students that's working on the door. He's on his 2nd week of PDR. What's going on, man? How you doing today?
Good.
All right. So you can see he's actually repairing a body line on this door. Right here is a small miter dent with his light set up parallel to the panel so he can read the damage. All right. So what do you think about your past 2 weeks here at Dean King?
Good.
You've had a blast?
Yeah.
How do you feel like what you've learned the past 2 weeks is going to help you out in the real life?
Yeah, it's given a good start.
Good start,
Yeah.
but a bunch of practice once you get home, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
Keep it up, man. All right, so now we're actually going to walk back and check out some of our interior repair students and see what they're doing. So earlier, these are leather headrests that had rips all in them. They went ahead and sanded it down and then filled them with a leather fill, and they're nice and smooth. So now we're at the point where we need to actually sand just a little bit more to get rid of some of these ridges, and then they're going to be ready for paint. You see what I'm talking about right here? You can still feel a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah, absolutely.
This one I feel like needs a little more fill in those spots, but I think.
Yeah, you can really see where the puncture happened on this headrest, and the dip inside, we're really going to have to build those up and then feather them out with some probably 200 to 300 sandpaper.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Thanks.
All right, over here, we're doing some burns on some carpet headrest. This is a velour repair. What we're actually doing is, let's check this out, is this was a burn, and what we had to do is we had to cut the edge of the repair out and then fill it with some flex gel, and now we had some adhesive on there, and we're going to put some velour to match. So y'all been here for 4 weeks now?
This is my 4th week.
4th week, and you're here for your second week. And you've done our full auto reconditioning package.
Oh, yeah.
And you've done our bumper repair and wheel repair.
Correct.
Okay. How was wheel repair? Because I actually taught that.
Challenging.
Challenging.
Challenging, but it was doable.
Now, with what you've learned this week, you're going back to your dealership next week.
Yes.
Are you confident that you think you can handle?
Most definitely.
Most definitely. You did an awesome repair.
Yes, thank
Yep. Thank y'all.
Sweet.
Thank you for taking time today to watch this video, and welcome to the Dean King Training Institute out here in California, and I can't wait to see you soon.